So today we're going to have a quick lesson on how to check your notifications on Instagram. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to sign into your Instagram account. And again, that's your business Instagram. And then once you've signed in, you're going to click your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Remember, that's how we always get back to our profile. Once you're on your profile, it should look similar to this. Now I'm using my personal brand page today to show you how this is going to work. So the first thing you're going to do is look down at the very bottom next to the heart. The heart will tell me that I have notifications. And when I click on it, it's going to show me what they are. So this person followed me 56 minutes ago. All these people liked my post. It's going to give you all kinds of information. Now, the other thing I want to show you is that if you click on the house and you click on that little arrow, it takes you to your messages. Okay, so there are your primary messages. That means messages that come from people you are connected to, people that follow you. And general messages are notifications from people who don't. Here we go. So this is a particular brand of really cute children's clothing, and we were kind of having a conversation back and forth. They were asking me, the person who owns it, about marketing, and I was looking at some of their photos on their stories, and oh my gosh, are their clothes cute. This person asked me a question, and then I answered down here on the right. That's how you can see the flow. Their questions are on the left, or their comments, their message is on the left next to their logo, and mine is on the right, kind of grayed out. That's how you can see those are mine. So that's how the messages work, okay? So that's how you're gonna check who liked, who commented. So in here, not only is it gonna show likes under the heart, but it will also show comments, okay? Then it's gonna say this post, so you'll get notifications too. This post is doing better than 80% of your other recent posts. So they want you to put money behind it and promote it. So that's what that notification is. But here's a comment, see? We have a comment on that photo. Now, if I want to go over to that photo and check out the comments, that's actually me with my great-grandmother. So funny. Here's the comments. Here's this person's comment, and here's my reply. And if I click on that heart, that means I liked their comment. I can click that little heart and show that I liked their comment. Okay, so now we're going to click back again and get back on our profile. And so if you want to take a look, if your account's brand new, you won't have all these different things right now. But just remember that if you ever see a little, if you're down here and you see this little heart and it's red, you need to click on it and read your comments, and you see who liked your post. And then if you click on the home, it brings you back to the home. If this arrow is has a number by it, then you need to click on that and go over to your messages and read your messages. And if you have any questions, just let me know.